Study, learn, collect. I'm all about the science, baby. Yeah, science, bitch. This bitch is gonna try to fall all the time, but we're back in fucking business. So, oh, my makeup, my brows, and everything. Anyway, we're gonna forget about my face right now, and we're just gonna go ahead and look into this month's of the Bone Box. So, they skipped a month because of the whole virus going around. It wasn't, you know, me being lazy and not uploading a box. It was, they literally did not have a box for me. I even asked them on Facebook to make sure that the virus was stopping the box and that I just wasn't getting skipped out on box. But anywho, thankfully it was just due to the virus and we are back on track. So this box is for May 2020. So let's finally get back to it because I have been missing these boxes. Oh my god. It's just not the same. I just love my little goodies every month. So, right when I open it up, well, they are basically doing a little thank you in this note and saying, hey, if you want, because of everything that happened, you can go to our website, Schools Unlimited, and do yada yada yada. You know, there's a deal in here, which is great. So, let's open this up. Our very first little goodie of the box is a coyote canine. So, I love that, because I was fucking wondering what, like, animal canines, you know, look like outside of the roof. Because, like, you know how as humans we have these certain type of roots. I was wondering how basically they look like. Yeah, that is so cool. So that is the little coyote canine. And that is normally priced at $3. And then our little skull of the box in the bubble wrap. It's gonna be May. Our May skull is a large rat. So this large rat is priced at $33, which beats the entire price of the box. Hey, different area, but hey, guess what? Continue on with the video. So that rat skull already beats the price of the entire box. And let's get this little rat out so we can look at it. Little rat-tat. So this is definitely not a video my mom will appreciate as she is terrified of rats. But here is that skull for you. I want it to be as clear as possible, but I might have to show you up close in another way. So now we are going on to this part of the box where we read about the animal. And from class, order, family, genus, and species, we have Mammalia, Rodentia, Muridae, Rattus sp. Diet omnivore, range worldwide. Rats have gotten a bad reputation over the course of human history. Yet based on recent studies of rodent behavior, as well as evidence that gerbils, not rats, were the cause of the bubonic plague, it may not be entirely deserved. Love the rats, love the mice, they're cute. Found on every continent on Earth except for Antarctica, rats live almost anywhere that humans dwell. They spend most of their relatively short life doing three things: foraging, socializing, and mating. The most distinguishing feature you will notice on the skull is the teeth. Rats have only one set of teeth for the duration of their lives. They possess 12 molars and 4 open-rooted incisors that grow continuously throughout the rat's life. Then, of course, you have that little cute photo there, and that was all that we have today for May 2020's Bone Box unboxing. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I hope you guys are staying sane in quarantine. It's one of those things, you know? But I shall see you next time. There shall be a video as soon as there is a new box, or maybe I will have another video up soon. Never know unless you subscribe. Goodbye.